Uh, my name is Teresita Gravina. I am a member of the EGU Committee on Education, but I am also scientist and European ambassador. And I will talk a little bit about these two projects. I think that there is a lot of people here that already know scientists and also another ambassador, but I hope you will enjoy Europeana because it's quite a new project. SCIENTIX is an European project that promotes networking between STEM teachers, STEM researchers, and policymakers interested in STEM education. This project was held by European SchoolNet, which is in Brussels. And one of the main goals of this project is to promote all the material provided in the end of European project that aims at STEM education. Because there are a lot of material produced along last 10 years, I think so, but sometimes it's very hard to find it because you have to know a special keyword to search to this material. So if you went to SCIENTIX portal, which is this one, which is in English, but is also translated in other European languages, you will find this resource repository where you can find for teaching material ready to use in your classroom, searching by keywords, subject, the age of your students, and also languages. And if you find something very interesting, you like it, but maybe is in Romanian, because I found something very interesting in Romanian, but you don't know Romanian, you can ask for a translation. And if scientists receive 3 requests of a translation of this material, they will provide translation in the languages you ask or in English. Also, scientists organize webinar once a month, and one of the last was held by Chris King. It was very nice because there were also interaction between teachers. It was very amazing. And these are generally based on STEM topics or new methodology to teach STEM. Scientists also provide a Moodle where you can find some courses, and some are related about earth science. And also there is a blog where you can enjoy teacher experience from all around Europe. And even if you have a nice experience, like participated in a GIFT project, in a GIFT workshop, you can write to the blog and decide to write your own article to promote what was your experience. And to keep in touch with this project is very easy. You go to the website, you can just go to Google and write scientist, and you will easily find it. And you can sign up for the newsletter and or the digest. I suggest you the digest also because also this one is translated in several languages. I will ask, last thing, if you are going to organize some STEM-related activity in next month, you can sing in for the STEM Discovery Week, which is a very big campaign in order to promote STEM all around Europe and not also in Europe. I know that here there are a lot of scientist ambassadors. Please stand up, show up your face. So during the break, if someone is interested in learning more about scientists, you can ask to these people that will be very likely to help you to know about scientists. Thank you so much. The other project was Europeana, which is quite new. This is a project supported by European Community. This is a huge platform where you can find material from all around the museum from Europe. And not also this, but you can find also teaching material, because during last year, European teachers were working to prepare this teaching material, and you can recognize someone in this room, in this photo. And all the material we designed were used to design a MOOC, which was held this year in English, and now it's held in Portuguese and also in Spanish. But next winter will be a rerun of the MOOC in English and in other 2 European languages. But all the material is still available if you are interested to have a look. And there are a lot of learning scenarios created using the material from the Europeana platform, ready to be used in your classroom. This is our scenario created by from teacher to teacher on different topics and from different grades of school. You can enjoy all the scenario on the Teaching of Europeana blog, where you can find not just the scenario, but a post that describe this scenario. And also there are a story of implementation that describe the teacher experience that are using this material. And if you are keen on design video, there is a challenger which will end, I think, in May. You can design your own video promoting STEM using the Europeana material. And there is a, I think, very important prize for the winner. So I invite you to join this competition. And this is all. I hope you enjoy my very short presentation. And if you have any answer...